Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I'm going to be talking to you about another Amazon palette. This one is from Luxaza. I'm probably saying that horribly wrong, but this is the Glory Land palette. I actually do have this on my eyes. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys and just talk a little bit about the palette. This was $9.99. It is a 12 shade palette. This is cruelty free, which was really nice, as well as, oh, it came with a couple different things. I'm so sorry, I'm just scatterbrained today. It came with 3 brushes. They're cute. It's a thought that counts kind of thing. They're not the worst brushes, but they're definitely not the best. You're getting what you paid for kind of thing. A eyeliner and some gel patches for underneath the eye to protect your makeup, which I thought was really cool. And it came with like quite a bit, so that was nice. This also came with a book, which gives you some information on the palette, along with a whole bunch of eye looks that you could do, which I thought that attention to detail was just really nice, because they definitely didn't have to do something like that, so that's just putting a little bit more effort into something, which I appreciated. And they're all really simple looks, 3 shades, good to go. So I appreciated that. Now, each shade does have names, which are just right along here, and we'll go into it. I'm going to swatch a couple of them so you guys can see. Mostly a matte palette with like a couple shimmers. So I will swatch, I think there's literally only 2 shimmers, so I'll swatch both shimmers for you. Those are the ones that gave me a little bit of trouble, so it is what it is. I'm still going to play with it. I literally just did a look today to try it out. So I will take on my glasses so you guys can see. But yeah, it's all about just kind of testing out and seeing what it's about. Another thing is this lasts for 36 months, which I thought was really cool. Because some of them you'll see, which is 12 months. And I'm not going to lie, like I have some of my palettes longer than 12 months. They're still fine, but I just... I like that it said 36, so that was cool. This also does have a really good mirror. I just don't want to show you guys everything, so I'm not going to show you that. But yeah, let's get some swatches on so you guys can see. And I'll also swatch the gel eyeliner, which that's one thing I didn't use because I'm not very good at gel eyeliner in the first place, so I didn't want to be too much of a mess right now. But yeah, let's swatch. So let's do the 2 shimmers. The shimmers are Respect and Groundbreaking. So let's do that. Now these, I did have to, like you're going to barely be able to see them. They're okay. It might be nice if you had a better base on. I just literally do what I normally do for all my shadows, which is like concealer and a little bit of that brulee from Wet n Wild. I like to put that on as a base, and normally that's what I do for every single shadow, so I didn't want to do something different with this one, but they're okay. Let me show you the look really quick so you guys can get a better idea, but just did a simple look. I wasn't going too crazy, but it's not bad. It's not the best palette I've ever had, but for the price, it's definitely something I will look to play around with, and I did get a couple other ones, so it might be a different experience with the other palettes. So either way, it's fun to try. And if you guys like the highlight, which it is just beaming right now, this is the Glow Goals, and this is from Ovra. That's I got in my Ipsy. Along with, I am also using my Pacifica, that blush, which not bad. I didn't want to go too crazy or too heavy-handed, which I definitely can, but I didn't want to go too crazy. But yeah, I'm using both of those products because I guess, because I'm also letting you guys know, hey, these are what I'm still using. So same thing when I use the You Can Be palette or anything other palette that I use that I know I've shown on this channel, I'll try to mention so you guys can get an idea like, okay, she's still using it, it's still good, or oh no, it's not today. It's okay. But yeah, let's just continue swatching. Now let's go with Honor. I know I did use Honor today, so we'll swatch that one for you guys. That's Honor right there. Let's see, let's do another shade. I used Bestow today, so we'll swatch that one so you guys can see it. Bestow. I do like that all of these have names. Let's see what other ones I can do. Let's do Raging Fire. It's a pretty red color. There you go. And let's do a darker color so you guys can see. The mattes, like I said, I have no real issue with the mattes. The shimmers are what was disappointing in this palette, but luckily there was only 2. And I have other palettes. I'm sorry, my highlight is just distracting me. I have other palettes that I can use if I wanted to do something a little bit more bam in that eye, so it's okay. Let's go with Ashes. That's the black color. So yeah, there's a couple shades. Like I said, the shimmers, but the mattes aren't bad at all. I did like them, and I'll definitely look to use this palette again just to see. But definitely wasn't a bad first impression. It's $10. And the other one I got, which I might as well just show you now. Let me just reach for it. The other one I got is Memory Mystery. Again, look, it's just pretty. It's dark in a sense, but it's, I don't know, there's just something really pretty and elegant about them. So I told you, sucker for packaging. I thought this one would complement the one that I have though nicely, so I did get that one too. And I'll be trying this one out, and I'll let you guys know when I do try this one out as well. I also got a purple one. I'm just going to show you all of them, why not? Which is just so pretty. The purple one is Glamour Night. Let me show you these colors. This one I'm interested in using. It definitely has a pressed glitter in there, so we'll see how that one goes, but it's just a pretty palette, and I'm hoping these work out nicely. This wasn't a bad first impression. It's an okay look. I'll definitely be looking to do more looks, so we'll see. But again, not bad. Let's swatch this eyeliner so you guys can see. Show you the tip. Not a bad tip. Let's look. Let me just do it just right along here so you guys can see it. Pretty black. I don't trust myself with this kind of liner, so I just did not want to completely jack up this look, but it's definitely black, which I do like, and all of them came with these extra items, and they did go the extra mile with doing things that they didn't have to. You know, they didn't have to do the book, they didn't have to do the brushes. It's a cute little set, and honestly, for $10, if you even have a friend or a daughter or, you know, a child in general, I'm not judging nobody, and they're into makeup, this might be a fun way to start them off on something, because it's not bad, and it gives you options. And you know, the brushes aren't the best quality, but you can go to like Shop Miss A or even the dollar store or something and get some brushes and just make a cute little set out of this. I think it would be a really nice little gift for somebody. So, little side note, the holiday seasons are coming, and speaking of, got a little Halloween background going on. Hopefully you guys like it. It's going to be around, that lighting, I am so sorry. It's going to be around for at least the next 2 weeks. It's actually pretty cute. It has, let me see if I can pull up a little bit, little pumpkins on there, which I just thought was really nice. It's see-through, so I had to keep my normal background, or one of my normal backgrounds, there, so there could be some sort of, I don't know how to put it, but I did keep the other one back there, so it will be just a little bit harder to see what's back there. Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty. I might end up using this for something else eventually, but for now, I wanted to test it out, and it is pretty cool. Like you guys can see, it has a little gate and everything. I don't know, I just liked it. I thought it was pretty. And so in dark way, Halloween's coming, and I'm excited. So yeah, I just figured I would show you guys the palette and my experience on it. Again, real quick, I'll show you the look I did. Don't get distracted by the highlight, because I know I am. But yeah, it's a good little first impression. I'm just kind of waiting for other stuff to come in. I think I'm going to do a highlighting palette swatch too next video because I'm excited about that one, and there's a couple funky colors in there that I want to try because I will be doing a couple Halloween videos, and they're not going to be like whole Halloween videos, but they'll be like funky wigs and what looks I can do that you may be able to be inspired by. I don't know, but we'll see how that one goes when they all come in. But just a quick reminder that you are beautiful, bold, graceful. And if today's not a good day, that's okay, because all we can do is try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.